Hi, I'm Gemma and welcome to All About Space. Today's question comes from one of our readers, Casey Worth, who has asked us, is there sound elsewhere in space? Well, Casey, actually there is. Sound waves can be thought of as these little compression waves that pass through air. So whenever there is a medium such as a gas that makes up the atmosphere of a planet, there is always going to be the possibility of sound. In case you're wondering if you could clap your hands from the surface of Mars or Venus, or cause a racket on the extremely gaseous atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn, you can expect to hear some sort of noise. Believe it or not, sounds in space don't stop there. Our very own Sun also makes some noise. Vibrations can be found rippling through its incredibly hot surface in the form of acoustic waves. If we were to somehow survive on the walk on the Sun's surface, we wouldn't be able to hear them though, because the sound frequency is way too low to be heard by the human ear. So that we are able to hear them from a safe place here on Earth, astronomers are able to amplify these very quiet vibrations up to around 42,000 times, which makes them quite audible, as you can hear in this sound sample right now. That's our very own Sun making that sound. But what about noise in space itself? You've probably heard the saying that in space no one can hear you scream. That's because any sound, whether it's made by screaming or clapping your hands, doesn't have any air to travel through. Space is a vacuum with only 10 atoms per cubic centimetre filling it. If space had quite a few more atoms, it would be dense enough to carry sound waves, and we would be able to hear a great deal. Space would be a very noisy place if this were the case. That's it from us, but if you've got a question for the team on All About Space, then you can send it to questions@spaceanswers.com. Alternatively, you can message us on Facebook or contact us on Twitter @SpaceAnswers. Bye for now, and thanks for watching All About Space.